Hi, my name's Adam from Bosch Power Tools Accessories. We're here today at Jimmy from PlumberParts house to put our Bosch Carbide hole saws to the test. Let's get to it. As we all know, hole saws are a must-have piece of equipment for most trades and is commonly used for a number of different plumbing applications. This hole saw lasts up to 20 times longer life compared to standard bimetal hole saws. Now what you see is that the carbide is actually individually welded onto the body of the hole saw, providing heat resistance and also increased durability in a number of different materials. I'm joined today with Jimmy from PlumberParts to discuss the Bosch Carbide hole saw.
Hi, how's it going?
Hi Jimmy, how are you? Well?
Yeah, good, really good. Great to see some fantastic tools here today.
Good.
As well.
So Jimmy, is a hole saw something that you regularly use when working on site?
Yeah, as a plumber, we're always going through different types of material, always drilling through floorboards, ceilings, walls, cement board, so it's something you've constantly got to have.
I think with this carbide hole saw, I would assume it gives you that peace of mind when you're arriving into a job, knowing that you have a hole saw equipped to tackle any material really.
Yeah, I mean, particularly what we're going to be doing later on today, we're going to be going through a few different materials, and it saves you time, effort, money, saves your customer money, makes you look more professional if you're not going to and from the van all the time, swapping out drill bits. Well, it's a constant hassle when you're a plumber trying to take off your drill bit from your arbor and everything, and it's great that we can just do that so easily now, like this, and just pop it back on again. Where the old ones always used to get locked up and everything, and often you injure yourself trying to get them off.
Exactly.
And if you can buy one of these and it lasts 20 times longer, not only are you getting a product that you know you can rely on, but it's saving you money as well.
Also, you know, when looking at the enlarged cutting depth, surely that's another advantage as well.
Yeah, especially if you're going through like double carcassing and things like that on a kitchen worktop. You know, you don't have to keep going in, then out, then taking out the core. So again, makes you quicker and cheaper to use.
So Jimmy, we've got a number of different challenges set up today, so let us know what we're going to be doing.
So today we're going to be going up into my bathroom. We're going to be putting some 15mm and 22mm pipes up through the floor. We're also going to be doing some work for our waste pipes as well. We're also going to be putting through a 15mm pipe for the bath feed through a cement wall. So loads to do. Let's go upstairs and do it. So our first job today is to drill our floorboard holes up. For that I'm going to be using a 20mm and a 40mm drill bit attachment to get our hot, cold and waste pipes up through the floor. Right, so there you go, the 20mm and 40mm carbide hole saws there went through straight away, in fact a little bit sooner than I thought they would, but great to sort of see that they clear out so easily. It's easy to change them over all the time, so it saves me money and time, and yeah, makes all my tools last a lot longer as well. Right then, so great fit. Let's get piece number 2 drilled and cut. So I'm going to be drilling through the pipe for our waste. This is actually the vent pipe for our waste system. So it's really important we get it in the right position. So I'm going to be putting on our 60mm carbide hole saw for that. Very easy to change over, as you've seen already. And we're all ready to go. Another really quick hole there. Really impressed with the fact that there's no burning on this as well, because a lot of poorer makes of these will burn the hole, and these carbide hole saws can really do a great job and make it miles easier for me on a daily basis. So let's get this bit in now and get this part of the job done. Right, there we go. Hole in exactly the right place. Precision for that made so much easier with these carbide hole saws. Really impressed. Right then, so I'm now going to install this light as well up in the bathroom ceiling. We've got some plasterboard up in here. We've also got some lath as well. So there's quite a few different materials that we're going to come across, some of which I don't even know about. So we're going to go up now and test out these carbide hole saws as well. I think this is going to be a real test for how good they are. Well, that was an experience. That has just cut through all of this, 1940, 2000 and this year, all in that time. Really impressed with it, cut absolutely perfectly. I've probably got dust all over my face. But now I'm ready for our final task today, getting the hole cut for our bath fill on our cement board. Let's get on with this last job. We're now going to be changing over. We're drilling through cement board now, which requires a different pilot bit on here, but it's really, really easy to change over. Just watch me do that in a sec. We're going to use a 32mm hole for this. So there's our standard wood and metal bit out. And then our masonry bit goes back in. This clicks on. Look how quick that was to change over. And now we're ready to drill our hole. So that went through really, really easily on a cement board, and it's really difficult to get nice accurate cuts on these quite a lot of the time. And I can see on here the individually welded carbide teeth that have got to be a reason as to why this has cut through so quickly. So let's get this installed now. Right then, so our cement board going in, really, really important because it's part of the waterproofing of the bath. So it's important we get this in the right place. There we go. Another successful install, got that on there, just need to seal that up. And that worked absolutely fine, but in exactly the right place. A difficult panel to screw because of what it's made of. Really difficult sometimes to get these exactly right, so I'm really, really impressed with that. Definitely a massive plus for these hole cutters. Absolutely brilliant. Hello mate.
Hello mate, back again.
Yeah, interesting day.
Yeah, brilliant. So you finished all the challenges now. So tell me what you thought about the Bosch Carbide hole saw.
Well, we've used loads of different sizes of hole. We've been doing our 15mm pipes, so we've used a slightly larger size for that. Yeah. We've learned something today, hopefully with that. We've done our 22mm as well. We've done 32mm pipe coming through, and we've even done the waste pipe coming out for the vent pipe. So I've used lots of different sizes today. I mean, one thing I'm just absolutely blown away by how quick they are. Yeah. You know, how easy they are to use, didn't burn the hole, and looking at them now, they're still bright. I know I've only used them like briefly just today, but you can tell these are absolutely fantastic. And one thing I'd say, I didn't use them on any metal today, but if I was going to, make sure you lubricate it, like a pro tip for you, and keep the RPM down as well. So really, really good.
So Jimmy, thank you very much for letting us film today. Best of luck with the renovation. I hope the carbide hole saw comes in handy for the next time you use it.
I'm sure it will, but what's this about you leaving? I thought you were going to stay and help me finish it.
No.
We've got a lot more to learn. Hopefully these will help us along the way as well.
Brilliant, we'll do.
Cheers man.
Cheers mate.
Wicked, let's do it.
Cheers. So guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you click the link here to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you missed the last episode of the series, please make sure you click here where we tried out the Carbide Multimax blade with Nick Bundy. Thank you very much.